Hello, the boat show lovers. We're at the Discover Boating Miami International Boat Show and we're on board Beneteau Swift Trawler 54, which I have to say is one of the popular boats out here right now. And you know why? Because it's a game changer for long-range cruising, and I'm going to show you exactly why. Inside, you immediately see the open space of the living area. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, giving you a breathtaking view from every angle. The stylish, modern interior combines comfort with functionality, featuring a versatile seating arrangement and convertible dining table. The centrally positioned galley is designed for easy access, equipped with top-tier appliances and dual-burner stove, oven, and ample storage. This kitchen space makes meal prep effortless while at sea. The foredeck lounge offers another fantastic relaxation space, with U-shaped seating, an inset table, and a large sun pad. This area is ideal for enjoying a quiet morning coffee or an evening sunset. The Swift Trawler 54 offers 3 beautifully designed cabins, including a full beam owner's suite with an ensuite bathroom and stunning sea views. Guest cabins are equally comfortable, making this the perfect yacht for long journeys with family and friends. A Swift Trawler 54, what are the key features that we could talk about this boat?
Let's talk about Swift Trawler very quickly. Swift
Yeah.
Trawler is a range that's been around for 20 years now. We have almost 1,900 boats in the Swift Trawler community that are on the oceans of the whole world, from Seattle to Sydney and everywhere in between. This particular boat is the result of thousands of hours of interviews with current Swift Trawler owners on what they have on their boat, what they like, what they don't like, what they would like to see. I'll just go over the key features. You have an extraordinary fusion hull that took 20 years to develop, so it's a very sea-kindly hull, very fuel efficient. Coupled to the hull, you have the new Sleipner fins, which is a very exciting technology. Then you have key features such as the Easy Load Lazarette, one of the largest, if not the largest Flybridge in its class. And then finally, the quiet luxury of a boat that was built around the comfort of the users. Ultimately, what you have here is a real passage-making boat, not a Marina Queen, but a boat that was designed to go places in total comfort and total luxury.
Hydraulic swimming platform. This is wide and it's perfect for your water activities, and it can even fit a tender up to 400 kilograms. Plus, if you want to see the engine room, check this out. Stepping up from the hydraulic swimming platform, you get to the cockpit, which is very wide and where you can enjoy a nice dinner with family and friends al fresco, with obviously a great view. So you said this is the result of a lot of feedback. So you've had obviously clients that keep coming back. So obviously they come back because they like what they see, they like what they feel, they like the lifestyle, and also you get the feedback from, advancing and moving forward.
The success of the Trawler range was built on the ability of the boat to deliver the promise of exciting cruising. We notice as we have people that they come into the Trawler range, they start at the 35, 41 mark, and then they work their way up, 48, all the way up to the flagship of the Beneteau line, which is the Grand Trawler 62. And this boat fits comfortably between the Swift Trawler 48 and the Grand Trawler 62. Really good size for a lot of people.
Who's the ideal client for this type of boat?
Oh, that's impossible. We have young influencers that want a cool boat to go places. We have people that are coming out of sailboats that buy this boat. We have cruising families. We have guys that are retiring by themselves. It's really a wide variety of people. The Trawler range has always appealed to a very wide array of different buyers.
Fully equipped helm station. Can you see yourself up here? Because I can. You have touchscreen controls. You have a joystick, autopilot. I mean, what more do you want, really? Welcome to the Flybridge. You have a 360-degree view of your surroundings. Right now we're at the boat show, so obviously you have other boats around, but imagine yourself out on the water. Plus you have a second helm station, fully equipped. You have a nice dining table where you can hang out with friends and check out nice barbecue. So this is perfect to just lounge and have just a nice time with family and friends. What can we expect in the future?
We have very exciting things coming. Can't talk too much about it now, but this year, if you come to the Cannes Boat Show, you will see a little bit of a glimmer.
We'll see something, so we have to wait for it to come.
Yes.
Okay.
In the meantime, you can go out on this one.
We could go on this one,
Right.
so we're gonna go test it out.
Please.
Okay. So either you want a weekend getaway or you just want to do a long range cruising, this boat is built to impress. I'll see you next time, always here, always on The Boat Show.